Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make pesto chicken breast, easy method. Flatten 2 chicken breasts to even thickness, season with salt and pepper, and spread 3 tablespoons pesto evenly. Heat 1 tablespoon olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat, sear breasts 3 minutes per side, then reduce heat and cover for 6 minutes. Let rest 5 minutes before slicing and serving with lemon wedges and extra pesto. In this video, I will explain how to make pesto chicken breast, easy method. Combine basil leaves, 1/3 cup pine nuts, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan, 1 garlic clove, 1/3 cup olive oil, and salt in a food processor and pulse until textured but spreadable. Scrape the sides once, taste, and adjust with lemon or salt. Chill briefly to firm and use 3 tablespoons per breast or refrigerate for quick meals. In this video, I will review how to make pesto chicken breast, easy method. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, it really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes post-cooking cleanup effortless and fun. It's a nice time saver for busy cooks. Check the description for the link and other deals to save on kitchen helpers. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to make pesto chicken breast, easy method. Use boneless, skinless chicken, or try bone-in for more flavor but longer cook time. For oven method, bake at 375 degrees F for 20 to 25 minutes until internal temperature reaches 165 degrees F, then rest and slice against the grain for tenderness. Add sun-dried tomatoes, toasted walnuts, or a drizzle of balsamic glaze for a bright finish before serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.